Hey everyone, I'm going to show you what I packed in my carry-on luggage. My makeup bag and hair ties, deodorant and sunscreen. Clothes. It's a double-sided packing cube. My pillow, protein bars, my liquids bag, flip-flops, and then on this side I have my meds, carbon monoxide detector, sewing kit, extra lock, hair towel, extra pillowcase, stuff I'm going to use on the airplane. This is from my shop, Sarah's shop. I'll link it down below. An extra bag. Cords and chargers. First aid kit. Waist bag. Surge protector. Gloves. Toiletry bag. And that's all I'm bringing on my trip. And then I'm going to bring a jacket that I'm going to wear and a sweater. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.